How to make a souffle with spices you already have in your kitchen. Ayurveda is an ancient Indian system of medicine that emphasizes the use of natural remedies to maintain health and balance in the body. Ayurvedic cuisine incorporates herbs and spices that have therapeutic properties, and it can be a delicious and healthy way to cook. Here is a recipe for an Ayurvedic souffle that uses spices commonly found in most kitchens. Ingredients: 1 cup chickpea flour, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon coriander seeds, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon black pepper, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup water, 1 tablespoon ghee or coconut oil, ½ cup chopped vegetables, carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, etc. 2 eggs, separated. Fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Toast cumin and coriander seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Grind in a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. In a bowl, mix the chickpea flour, ground spices, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Gradually stir in water to create a smooth batter. Heat ghee or coconut oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped vegetables and saute until tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. In a separate bowl, beat egg whites until stiff peaks form. Add egg yolks to the chickpea batter and mix well. Fold the egg whites into the batter gently. Pour the batter over the sautéed vegetables in the skillet and transfer to the oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, until the souffle is puffed and golden brown. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh cilantro or parsley. This Ayurvedic souffle is packed with protein and healthy vegetables, and the spices used in this recipe have anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.